That was like 5 months ago, but not completed yet. Yeah, it sounds like New Day.
We're making bucket hats, by the way.
Make one for yourself.
No. What does that mean? I'm making one to match your thing. The scissors, the pink thing. What?
You put that out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fuck any of Bags' suggestions. Right? Am I right?
Yeah. Grilling something with fucking stuff.
Yeah. They're gonna come out with the copper wire and circuitry thing, and it's gonna be like, hey everybody, look at this new thing we added that we came up with.
It'd be super simple to add. Like,
Yeah, you just need a mini game and then a thing that puts a thing in your inventory. And then a thing that maybe calls the cops if you're doing it.
yeah. You like a percentage on whether or not it's called.
Or it could be like if you're seen.
Yeah. Can they do that with like locals and shit? If a local sees you, then they call the cop. Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't know if it was just like automatic. Well,
No, I think it is if a local sees you. That it was like that in a past server.
what?
A past server or something.
I remember we had in one of our servers where you could talk to a local.
I talk to the locals all the time. We hang out with the half-pipe locals and then get shot up. But it needs some interesting illegal things from it. Something that maybe the to get Coast Guard out. In New Day, it's automatic regardless if locals are actually seeing you. Oh. I thought more of them. I thought it was a local line of sight thing. That's why I'm always like doing things when the locals are like farther away and shit like that. But that's like RP anyways, so I'd keep doing that. Regardless there. Because to me, that's like a person who's seeing me commit a crime and might call the cops. Like from an RP standpoint.
Right.
You know who didn't call me? Harlow. She was supposed to.
I'd expected that. Well, it's just this awkward thing that they call me LA. Yeah, it's really frustrating while robbing houses because there's a local always sleeping in the bed, and I try to add the fact that, and I tried to add that fact to my RP excuse, but cops don't see it when they breach.
Huh?
Oh yeah, so the cops go into the houses and they don't see the local that's laying because there's an NPC laying on the bed that if you walk too loud,
Yeah.
they wake up and start shooting at you.
Right.
But the cops that come in don't see that.
Why?
Not in the script.
In past servers I've played in, it's been the same exact thing, and the cops sometimes have to fight that local.
They're just tossing this shit.
Yeah. So, like, what are you trying to add that fact? Like, what are you trying to mention about it?
You want to keep this piece?
No.
No.
Just do /me, there is. Put a scene down, no matter which house you're going, just put a scene down. Guy sleeping on bed.
Man standing.
The first door.
Yeah.
Okay. So now I'm gonna just change. Doesn't need to be on right now. Oops, sorry.
That's the first door.
Junk is currently laying down on my pack of newsprint that I need to put this paper back into.